So now what we need to do is that here, after we place the order and everything here, what we need to do is that we need to take the user to the payment page. So after we do this step, we need to store order ID in session, and then we need to take the user to the payment page. So here I'm going to say session, and then I'm going to store the order ID in a session key called order underscore ID. So order ID is going to be equal to order ID, because by using the order ID we will be able to know whether the user has successfully placed the order or not. And here we just take user to payment page. So we need to say here header, and then location, and then payment.php. That's it. Now let me save, and above the checkout button, here this checkout button, we need to display the correct number. So here we need to say PHP, and then echo, and then what we want to echo is that we want to echo the session, and then total, and that's it, just total. And before that we need to display the $sign. I'm gonna say here echo $sign dot, and then session total. And at the top we have the session, so we just need to save now and test.